In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your mouse pointer color and size in Windows. This is a quick customization that can make your pointer easier to see, add a bit of personality to your desktop, and improve accessibility if you prefer stronger contrast or a larger pointer. Start by opening Settings on your PC using whatever method you normally use. Once Settings is open, look to the left-hand side and choose Accessibility. This is the section that gathers tools designed to make your device more comfortable to use, and it's where the pointer options live. Next, select Mouse Pointer and Touch. This page controls how your pointer looks and how large it appears on screen. Front and center, you'll see Mouse Pointer Style, which offers several visual styles. Click the fourth option, the one that shows a colored pointer inside a color box. Choosing this tells Windows you want to use a custom pointer color instead of the standard white, black, or inverted styles. Right below, you'll find color choices. If one of the suggested swatches catches your eye, just click it and your pointer updates instantly. If you want something more precise, choose the option labeled Choose Another Color. That opens a color picker so you can dial in an exact shade with a wheel and sliders. Take a moment to pick a hue with strong contrast against your usual backgrounds. Bright and saturated colors often stand out well, especially on high-resolution or multi-monitor setups. Under the color options, you'll see the size slider. This is optional, but it's a great way to make the pointer easier to spot. Drag the slider to the right to increase the size, or to the left to make it smaller. As you adjust, watch the pointer on your screen move around to get a feel for what works best for your eyes and your display. If you find it getting too large or covering text while you work, simply nudge the slider back until it feels comfortable. The best part is that every change takes effect immediately. There's no apply button and no need to restart. Move your pointer around open windows, menus, and your desktop to see how the new color and size behave in different contexts. If you work in apps with light and dark themes, try browsing between them to confirm the color stands out in both. And remember, these settings are reversible at any time, so feel free to experiment until it feels just right. That's all there is to it: simple, fast, and effective. Enjoy your newly customized mouse pointer and a more comfortable Windows experience.